Hi.
Hey.
Oh, surprised me, sorry.
You're good.
Okay, so we've got this car up here. It's been rolling around in a high drug area the last hour or so. We got a report that she passed by the same house numerous times, shined a flashlight in there. She's not real happy with us, but there's a bunch of stuff in the back that makes me think there's probably dope in there.
Okay.
And she's got a history of narcotics.
Just her?
Yeah, just her.
Okay, you gonna get her out?
Yep, I'll get her out for you real quick and then let you do your thing.
I'm gonna bring her back, like towards the grass, maybe even between these two cars.
Okay.
So that I can drive him.
Sounds good.
Put this in.
We're gonna pull her out real quick and then bring her back here in between my car and yours.
I got it.
Okay. One of the Riverside's out with us.
Can you step out and I'll explain it to you? Step out and I'll explain it to you. Me telling you to get out is all I need. Please step out and I'll tell you.
You can take your phone, I know you're recording.
I'll explain everything to you.
Okay. We're gonna have you step back here between these two patrol cars. Because the area that you're in is a high drug area, we're gonna have a canine do a free air sniff of your vehicle. Yes, that's exactly what it was.
Okay.
You're acting in a suspicious manner. It was called in. The area that you just happen to be in happens to be one of our highest drug traffic areas. Well, you've got a history of narcotics. So
when over a decade ago.
Now, history is a history.
Right. So that doesn't. So that gives you the right to harass me and.
I'm not harassing you. You were driving by the same house repeatedly in a high drug traffic area. That's more than enough reasonable suspicion to believe that you might be in the area for that specific purpose.
Well, normally when people sell drugs, don't they like stop places?
We've been in the same area for like an hour driving around.
I've been over here for an hour.
Okay.
That's not true.
Listen, if everything checks out, you'll be on your way.